Collie C, and today we got another product that we're going to put into my car. Um, some might think this is a little tacky, but whatever. I'm getting it just for a little bit extra lighting in my car, like where your feet go and stuff, like just below the dash. I'm going to try to hide these wires as much as I can. Now this particular one has a sound controller, so when you have the music going, the lights can do a whole bunch of different things. I don't really might use it once in a while when I'm feeling crazy, whatever. Anyways, it comes with the zip ties, um, the 3M tape. Um, 3M tape's all right. With the car getting hot, cold, hot, cold, a lot of times this 3M tape stuff just doesn't cut it. So I probably will be using the zip ties for that. This also comes with a remote, so you can change. It's got several different colors. We'll go through the product information later, but you can see all the different colors: white, blue, green, etc. And that's pretty much it. And it was a really cheap purchase. I think it was like under 25 bucks. It's probably like 20 bucks even. So we're gonna try to install this. Let's get at it. All right, so first off, what you want to do is start the car up and make sure the unit actually works. So we're going to do that. Marvel that. All right, so it's plugged in. So you can do solid colors. As you can see, all different types. Got this fade thing here. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of settings on it. If you buy this, you're gonna have to go through it yourself. I don't think we have the time to do all of them, but yeah, it's you can even turn the how high or low you want it to go. The ambiance there, and then it's got the music thing too. So it goes to the music. Right now, it's probably going to my voice, which is not too loud. All right, so that's pretty much it. So we're gonna install this. We're gonna put it under the dash here, and I think I'm gonna put him in the back seat too. We're gonna try that out. So let's get that going. All right, guys. So first off, you want to get yourself organized and unravel everything. Um, Two of them are going to be longer than the other ones, so I thinking I'm going to install these through the back seat with a connection that I have back there. Um, yeah, I don't know if you can make it out, but you can see where that blue is right there. I have like a little extension that comes from the front, and it's a little plug-in area there that I created for the back seat since there isn't any. So I'm gonna try to do that. Excuse the back seat too. I'm going camping pretty soon, so I got a bunch of stuff back there. Alright guys, at this point you're gonna want to determine which LED goes where according to length, and I just set them up so you know you have space to the other side there. And once you've determined that and you know that you have enough wire, then you can just go on and hook it up underneath and then do the wiring part, like hide the wiring after that. Alright, so we're all done zip tying and tucking all the wires away. As you can see, there's no wires except for the one I chose in the back to plug it in. I opted out of the front because I didn't want too many wires up there. And plus, it looks cleaner, I think. So, as you can see, the wires in the front. Can't see the LEDs anywhere. Yeah, so we're gonna fire this thing up and try these lights out once I close the door. Alright guys, so we got all the lights off, and as you can see, I got this on some kind of a fade thing, but you get the idea. Let's see if I can change some of these colors up here. Oops. So, got your more solid colors. Looks really nice. Like I say, I don't think I'm going to use the music thing. I'm not going to try it on here anyways, because when you put music on YouTube, they like to copyright stuff, so we're not going to do that today. But anyways, that's pretty much it.